The roar of engines, the crack of wood splitting, and sawdust flying. Prepare to witness the ultimate clash of steel titans built to conquer nature's giants. These machines are more than metal. They're unstoppable forces. But when nature resists, who will reign supreme? A towering cedar meets its match in this powerful saw. With precision cuts, the tree is reduced from forest giant to manageable timber in seconds. This isn't just felling, it's mastery in action, where human skill and machine strength work in perfect harmony. The Style 090G and McCullock 797G face off in an epic showdown, teeth gnashing against solid timber. Both machines roar as they tear through wood, each determined to prove its power. It's a battle of legends where only one can claim victory. Can the Style 090G defend its title, or will the McCullock rise? The HSM 405H isn't just a harvester, it's a force of nature, ripping through thick branches and tough stumps like they're paper. This beast doesn't hesitate, each cut precise and fierce. With unmatched might, it reshapes the landscape, proving its place as the ultimate forestry conqueror. The VW31310 powers through rough terrain, hauling logs with ease. Its massive tires grip the earth, transforming challenging roads into mere pathways. Built for the wild, this truck's strength turns every haul into a victory. Imagine controlling this beast through uncharted landscapes. A clever DIY saw attachment transforms this mini excavator into a timber-slicing powerhouse. With ingenuity and power, it rips through wood like a giant blade. Compact yet effective, it showcases the resourcefulness and skill of those who think beyond the standard machine. The forestry disc mulcher clears the forest floor with relentless power, grinding branches and bushes to dust. Its spinning teeth move like a storm, leaving nothing but mulch in their wake. In mere seconds, dense thickets turn to soil as the mulcher reshapes the landscape with ease. This excavator tackles stumps with calculated power, tearing roots from the earth with strategic precision. No stump can withstand its strength as it maneuvers skillfully, each move aimed to conquer nature's grip. It's a machine of patience and power, designed for the toughest jobs. The Timberjack 810B faces rugged terrain with unyielding strength. Its robust build pushes through the wilderness, showing resilience where others fail. This machine isn't just moving timber, it's a symbol of sheer determination, turning obstacles into victories one log at a time. Efficiency meets power in the Jobo ST75, a machine that tackles timber with speed and accuracy. Every cut is clean and swift, saving time without sacrificing strength. This forestry workhorse makes the job look effortless, proving that time is no match for its impressive design. A towering cottonwood tree stands its ground, but not for long. The saw bites deep, each cut a calculated move that brings the giant down. It's an intense display of man versus nature, with technology slowly overtaking strength until the massive tree finally succumbs. The whole tree harvester devours trees at breakneck speed, dropping one after another with mechanical precision. This machine works like a giant reaper, reshaping the forest in minutes. With each swift cut, it proves that no tree is too tall for technology's reach. Snow doesn't stop the Kesla 12MDH, which glides through icy terrain as though born for it. Each log it touches is cleared efficiently, showing its durability in the harshest conditions. Even winter's chill can't match the power and agility of this reliable logging machine. The Rayco AT75 combines cutting-edge vision and reach, navigating the forest with unmatched precision. Each tree it encounters yields to its controlled strength. This machine redefines forestry, proving that modern technology can tame even nature's toughest challenges. The Rayco RG80 grinds stumps with ease, reducing even the toughest roots to mulch in minutes. Designed for efficiency, it saves both time and effort, allowing operators to clear land quickly. This stump grinder is the go-to machine for those tough removal jobs that require raw power. The LKT-81 hauls massive loads of timber with ease, proving its strength in every pull. This powerhouse isn't just a machine, it's the backbone of forestry work, designed to handle the toughest loads and keep productivity high. No timber stack is too much for this beast. In bare feet, and with a single saw, tree fellers in Asia tackle towering timber with incredible skill. Each cut is bold, every action precise, showing mastery over nature's giants. It's a display of courage, where man meets the forest on equal, fearless terms. When the Welta W130 Emmett Kesla 25RH2 team up, forestry work becomes a symphony of strength and precision. Logs fall swiftly as each machine complements the other. It's teamwork in action, showing that when power and precision align, productivity soars. The Husqvarna 572XP versus Style MS 462C meet in an intense showdown, each chainsaw showcasing its cutting power and speed. Both are impressive, but only one can claim the title. It's a duel of sharp steel and unmatched strength, where every cut counts in the battle. The Foley Bell sawmill is a piece of history in motion, turning massive trees into lumber with vintage charm. Each cut feels like a tribute to the craftsmanship of the past. This machine connects us to another era, where woodwork was a revered art and every board told a story. The Foley Bell sawmill is a piece of history in motion, turning massive trees into lumber with vintage charm. Each cut feels like a tribute to the craftsmanship of the past. This machine connects us to another era, where woodwork was a revered art and every board told a story.